What's up, guys? This is AT1NE here, and today I'm going to bring you a very special video. Alright? So, this is a Speedart fan art, keep in mind, for the man, Pewdiepie. Alright, so, I pretty much just took inspiration from his channel, the feel, the lore of PewDiePie's community, as well as the designs that he's made himself, which are the like wavy red lines that you can see on his headphones, his chair, and all of his other stuff. If you're here somehow from PewDiePie, please YouTube recommended. Please do like the video and subscribe. I'm getting closer every day to my goals. Thank you very much. This has been AT1NE. I will be popping back in every minute or so, just to keep your guys' attention, just to keep you guessing like when I'm gonna be there, when I'm not gonna be there. So yeah, peace out, boys.
Justice once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series. I'm here to spill the real tea.
Things to note: this was made in Procreate on the iPad Pro 2018 version with the Apple Pencil, and disregard the first cartoonish Minecraft drawing because I ended up scrapping that, so I edited that out of the video, so if it looks a little choppy, that's why.
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just whip himself in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Oof. You gotta fit.
Hey, by the way, guys, this is me interrupting the amazing song again. Don't worry, I'm just gonna loop it through the video so you guys will get the full experience. Thank you for not copyrighting it, PewDiePie, hopefully. If you guys do want to see any tutorials, let me know in the comments below. One that I'm thinking about doing is a lettering tutorial like you're seeing on the screen right now, like kind of in depth, or maybe just a simpler one too, on how to do lettering in Procreate and maybe Photoshop as well, if you guys are interested. So yeah, let me know.
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million. Subart. I don't like you, T-Series. Nothing personal, kid, but I must go all out. Justice once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series. I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number one, but you in the year you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you, zero vibe is gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series.
Hey, what's up, guys? So about here in the video, I start doing the painting of PewDiePie that I actually want to do instead of the Minecraft figure, because in my eyes it looked really bad, so I definitely didn't want to have that be the look of the video. So I just started out with the sketch, and then I did the painting underneath the sketch, and then the highlights, lowlights, like the shadows, and then I just took the colors directly from his skin, and then I took off the glasses too because he doesn't always wear those. Yeah, and let me know what you guys think about the painting. I thought it turned out pretty well, so yeah, there you go.
No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now download the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million. Subart. I don't like your T-Series. Nothing personal, kid, but I must go all out. Just this once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. You're trying to dethrone me from spot on number one, but you in the year you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you, zero vibe is gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just whip himself in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Ooh. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls the world's a whole, your defecation. Oops, multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, no papa.
Quick little tip, guys. If you guys are artists, you don't have to be, but if you guys are artists and you're doing eyes and teeth, especially on a portrait, make sure it's not clear white, because that's not really realistic to a picture. Almost no one's teeth are actually pure white, and then even in a picture it's usually like a grayish color. So whenever you're doing eyes and stuff, just make sure it's gray and then use white to highlight. Boom.
Lasagna, T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million. Subart. I don't like your T-Series. Nothing personal, kid, but I must go all out. Just this once.
Alright guys, this is going to be my last interruption before I just let the video play out. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you have not already, please leave a like and comment below anything you want. Just Florida gang if you want, you know the vibes here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to let it play out. This has been my video. Boom.
Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just whip himself in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Ooh. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls the world's a whole, your defecation. Oops, multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now download the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna.